How to use the QR code for transfer PULZ. Hi guys, I'm Sophia. In this session, I will show you how to use the QR code to send and receive PULZ using the Pulerz app. It's so simple, so let's get started. Okay, on the home page, tap the QR code and navigate to the QR transaction page. On this page, we have two tabs. One tab to receive money and one tab to send money. By default, we are in the Receiving Money tab. We use this feature when we want to generate a QR code to receive a certain amount and send the code to others so that they can easily send us the amount. To create a QR code, we must enter the following information. This is your card number. You cannot change it. In this section, you can enter the desired amount based on the second currency you have chosen. For example, based on dollars or euros or others. Then the system calculates the equivalent value based on the exchange rate of that currency with the PULZ coin and puts it in the box below. You can also specify the amount based on the PULZ coin, and in this case, the system will calculate its equivalent based on the rate of parity with the second currency and enter it in the upper box. The amount can be entered based on the PULZ coin or the second currency, and the system will calculate and announce the equivalent of each. If this transfer has a description, you can enter that in this box. Then tap on Generate QR Code and your code will generate. Okay, let's do it. Great, our QR code is generated. We can save the generated code in our phone or share it with the money sender. Now we try the second tab to send money. In this case, we must give the app permission to use the camera to scan the QR code. You can also use the image of the QR code saved on the phone, which I will use in this tutorial. If the QR code scan is successful, you will be transferred to the money sending page, where the information read from the QR code, including the recipient's card number and the amount sent, is included. You can see the tutorial video from the link above. Please support us by subscribing to the Pulerz channel, liking, commenting, and sharing the videos, and getting rewards by introducing the Pulerz app to your friends. Thank you, and see you soon in the next videos.